The simplicity and changeover speed on Uhling's case clamps are legendary in the woodworking industry. This Uhling HP 4000 can go from 100 inches long by 50 inches high by 24 inches deep to 20 inches long by 13 inches high and 24 inches deep in 10 seconds. It's also fully pneumatic, requiring no electrical hookups. It has 3 top dual pod pressure bars and 2 side dual pod pressure bars. We replaced all 8 of the carriage locking cylinders, so this HP 4000 is ready to work from day one.